just for fun, let's add one more here. Let's add some orchestra element here, and we'll put that in the low end. All right. So same as before, you're going to come up here to channel strips. You're going to add one software instrument. Okay. And you can see your channel strip is added over here too. And it says instrument 3, it says instrument 3 right here. So you click on that, and we're going to pick an instrument. So for this one, we're going to make it orchestral, we're going to make it strings, and we're going to do full strings for this. Now, cool down here, it's just strings because remember everything else is above that right now, above this B. But as soon as we start moving further in, we've got pad and we've got strings, and up here we've got those bells that are added too. And that's not what we want for this particular demo. So we want to make sure that we're making some space on the keyboard for these full strings here too. Okay, easy. You've already done it 2 times at this point. You click right down here in the layer editor, make sure that that full strings is chosen there, and then your high key, we're going to learn it. We're going to make your high key that B, and then your low key, we're going to make that bottom C. And you saw everything moved up. Everything now is split correctly. Okay, so now it's just a matter of playing along with your song. Okay, there's not a mountain too tall. And maybe add some strings. So now you're able to essentially be 3 keyboard players through here, 3 different instruments, because as much as your imagination can take you with this, you can have multiple instruments basically in different sections. So I really think that this can help you out in some of your playing, because it's just great to experiment with, and you don't need to play strings any lower than that. A lot of times it's going to become real weird sounding, and bells are probably not going to be played low, and your pad is probably not going to be played up real high. So it just makes sense to just split that up, and it's really going to help your playing. So hope this video was helpful to you, and have a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.